This is the first trip of the year of the Danish Unicycle Club that I'm a member of. We are just hanging out, having a good time, riding around the local area. And we just stopped by a supermarket to buy some food that we're gonna do some barbecuing back over there. Pretty nice, so I thought I would shoot a short video just to show you a little bit about the wheels that we're riding, and also give you an important update on my stolen unicycle, because something really incredible has happened. But I'll not reveal that until the end of this video. Or some of the team members that joined today. And we can also go over here. See, we're burning off something over here. Preparing the grill. Oh, it's some sausages. And this guy is getting pretty advanced with this kind of grill. Let's try and see if we can capture some of the wheels. This is the KS16S, I think it's called. The 16-inch version of the traditional KS16. It has a much more powerful motor. It's 1,200 watt. Over here we have a MCM5 from Godway. That's also a pretty powerful wheel. Behind here is my new KS18XL. I don't want to spend much time on talking about that, but over here is the KingSong 18L, which was the one that I lost in the park. I shouldn't make fun of this, but this is the most damaged wheel that I've seen in a long time. But it's still holding up, and he's riding it pretty well. So, ACM2 from Godway, and that's Sten. He's normally the guy that performs all the tricks and tricks here in the group. Maybe we can convince him to do something on the wheel.
I can do this.
You can do this. Woohoo!
And I can do this.
You're getting into shape again.
Yeah.
Over here, that's a MSX 10 from Godway. That's also a very powerful wheel. It has the same battery size as my KS18XL and the same size of motor. So that product is basically competing a lot against the KingSong version. They're similar in many areas, and some has a slight advantage of the other. This is the traditional KS16, 16-inch wheel, 850 watt motor, and around, I think, 1,000 watt battery pack. That was the wheel that I was riding in the past. So let's see. Oh, food is smelling good. There's another MSX from Godway. So that is a lot of wheel stuff. That's for a lot of money here, assembled in one place. And there's a dog. Here we have an Emotion V10, brand new V10 from Emotion. It's also a pretty powerful wheel, and it's pretty lightweight compared to the performance that you're getting out of it. Another KS16. And finally here there's a small Emotion V5F, I think it is. That is a 16-inch, yeah? I think so. Ah, looks good. Keins ohne Heinz, du. Very simple dish. One sausage, one bread, and ketchup. It tastes very nice in the nice weather.
Ej, det gør jeg ikke.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so. It seems like your mind is elsewhere. Whenever we're on the phone, always on the go. Like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better?
Going back to the car. Alright, I'm back from riding with the guys and decided to bail out now to go home to my family. And you know that I promised you to tell you a secret. And that's actually, believe it or not, they found my stolen electric unicycle, or the one that I forgot in the park in Hillerød. So that completely restored my belief in humanity. It seems the wheel was handed in to the police, lost and found. And when I called them, they confirmed they had the wheel, so I could go and pick it up. Luckily for me, there was not much harm done to the wheel. It had a few scratches and some white paint on the side. And I guess someone has tried to ride it and found out that it might not be as easy as it seems. So they decided, luckily, to hand it in to the police instead of just dumping it somewhere. So I'm pretty excited and pretty pumped that I got my old wheel back. You could say I managed to buy another one in the meantime, and I will probably stick with that one because that has 50% more battery capacity. So there will probably be a good KS 18L up for sale, second hand, very shortly. So that was a pretty good news for me to get the wheel back. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press like below. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike twice. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.